Good morning, YouTube friends and family. I have been watching the Publix deals this week. Anytime it's going to be a holiday, like Labor Day, 4th of July, all of that, that's a good time to stock up because the sales run good BOGO deals. I still have to hit Harris Teeter up, but I did find some great prepping items, some good deals. This haul was $95.77 with tax, because I got a couple of taxable items. And I got $4.80 back on Ibotta, and I got another like $1 or $2 or $3, I don't know. It's hard to tell with Fetch these days. I got some points, like 219 points on Fetch. So let me go over this with you the best I can, because our cameraman is not here. So these are not buy one get one free. However, they are $5.59 each. And then they have a coupon on the Publix site. You don't have to download an app. You can just log in from the website and set up an account. But they have $3 off when you spend $10. So I bought 2 of these at $5.59 each. But then I got $3 off. So they really were like, what, $11.18 minus $3, $8 for 2. So that's $4 each. And this whipped cream, because I have an espresso machine, so I drink lattes. The coconut and the almond milk whip were $4.50. Buy one get one free. So they were $2.25 each. And don't look at expiration dates. I know you were looking at that. Don't worry about that. I'll explain that some other time. But I know you were looking at the they're $4.50 each. And don't look at the expiration dates, which this is not expiring until September 17th. But this stuff in the can, man, please, that stuff will spray out 6 months, a year later. And it's nothing wrong with it. Somehow that can preserves whatever is in there. But, and I'm making, cold drinks because it's hot now. So I have these sausages. They were buy one, get one free, $5.99. So they were $3 each. I have these potatoes, mashed potatoes, because this is dinner this week, with some roasted, baked chicken, rather. Excuse the phone ringing. So these, now that's one price I don't remember. Okay, so the mashed potatoes were $4.29, buy one, get one free. So a good side dish for $2.15 each. Go with it. 1 second. Let me pay. I'm back. Technical difficulty. So the Pop-Tarts, I bought 6 of them because cameraman loves Pop-Tarts. So those won't last long here. He'll eat 1 a day until they're gone. And they were $3.83, buy one, get one free. So that's $1.65 a box. So that is a super deal for the 12-pack. That's the 12-pack. So, I was happy to get those. That's what mainly drew me to the store. However, I went for Pop-Tarts and come back $95 later. I cannot be trusted. So, the Velveeta. He loves the Velveeta shells and cheese with bacon. This is 2 boxes. They were buy one, get one, and they were $4.99. So, that wasn't a great deal. But I want to say Ibotta gave some money back on them to help that out. So, these flavors here, the cilantro lime, the Mexican street corn, great for breakfast bowls, leftover meat, put some black beans, put a little sour cream on top, break some chips, sprinkle some cheese. You got dinner real fast. So I got the Mexican street corn and the cilantro lime. They were 3 for $5, but Ibotta gave 50 cents each on these bags. So that made them 3 for $3.50. So $1 a pack isn't bad, beats the Dollar Tree. And this one, now if you see this one and you have Ibotta, get 5 of them. Ibotta is giving $1 back on this flavor up till 5. So you can buy 5, pay what, $1. They're 3 for $5. So you'll get $5 back if you buy 5. So you'll get them about what, for about $3? 5 for $3. So that's a decent deal. They come about 30 cents a pack, I think, when I did the math. So look for those in Publix. My store only had 1 left, so I had to deal with it. So I actually had 4 of these. I've already given one to my aunt. But these are buy one, get one free, $2.99. That makes them $1.50 a bottle, and you get some points back on Fetch for them. This right here was on sale, and let me tell you how much for. It was on sale for $8.89, and I needed a general face moisturizer. So $8.99, and Ibotta gave you $2 back, and I want to say Fetch gave you some points. The hot dogs, the Franks, not the beef, are buy one, get one free. That was different to me because I'm normally used to them having the Franks on, the actual beef included in the BOGO deal. And these were $4.29. So I got 2 packs for $4.29. So that makes them about $2.15 a pack. And they're not generic, so I say maybe they'll taste better to him. I may do chili cheese dogs in the oven because I saw the little thing on Facebook and I was like, that would be cool to do. I might try it. But then I bought the sour cream. It's buy one, get one free because we have a lot of taco nights here. And that one was don't remember. Oh, it was $2.65. Buy one, get one. This on the Publix app was $1.50, but then they gave it to you for free. So they did give me a refund of the $1.50 on the receipt. These were buy one, get one free. Same thing Dollar Tree carries, but they're $1.99 buy one, get one free. So they're $1 a piece. We have to keep catch up here. These good prepping item. These were buy one, get one free. The Hormel chili, $2. Some were $2.39. The regular chilies with beans were $2.39. So those were $2.39 BOGO. And then the other ones were $2.99 BOGO. I guess because it's more meat in there. I don't know. But $2.99 BOGO. So that's $1.50 a can. See, I bought 6 cans. Great prepping supply for the stockpile. Plus chili, cheese, hot dogs. That might be dinner one night this week. So great breakfast. English muffins. They were $4.99 buy one, get one free. You can put these in the freezer. You can make pizzas with them, after school snacks. You can do a lot with these. Eat them for breakfast, make breakfast sandwiches, egg McMuffins, whatever at home. Hot dogs, Wonder Bread hot dog buns. They were buy one, get one, of course, and they were $3.49. So that made them, what, $1.75 each. I know this camera action is horrible. $1.75 each. Which $1.25 sells no $1.25 Tree sells no name bread for $1.25. All these is going up to $1.12. So I was like, that's fine. I'm there. I'll get them. And these chips, great taco nights. These chips, on the border chips, Cantina Thins, cafe style, and they're falling on the screen. They were $3.49 buy one, get one. So we keep tortilla chips in the house. I dip them in salsa. He dips them in sour cream and some seasoning he'll put together. So and then we do nachos and tacos and stuff like that. And this 12-pack back to school snacks, because he will not be in the cafeteria buying food like that. 12-pack Oreos were $5. They're on sale for $5. So I think that was everything, because I need to have me some breakfast. But that was everything in this $95 prep and grocery haul. I did not, like I say, I did not go in there to buy all this. I went in there to buy these 6 boxes of Pop-Tarts. But things happen. And if you're in the Publix, do check your facial aisle. They had a lot of clearance. So if you use expensive facial products, please check your facial aisle and see if they have yours on sale. And Ibotta is giving $2 off most of, some of those products. So, combine those with your Ibotta app, save you a little bit of money. Go ahead and prep that. Hopefully, we'll still be in the condition to take a bath and wash our face and keep ourselves up a little bit. But it's just the stores are out of control, or the stuff may not be there at this point. So, I do hope you like this video. I do thank you for watching. Did you get any other deals at Publix this week that I might have missed if you have a Publix near you? If not, go check your local store that does BOGOs. Check the deals. It's not all that bad. You may think that's the most expensive store in town, but the deals on the BOGOs may be worth it. So please check them out. Don't limit yourself to just Walmart. Check around. Shop around. I shop salvage. I am an equal opportunity shopper. I will shop anywhere if the deal is right. So please, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the bell for the run deals so that you will get these as soon as I get them. Because I am uploading this probably today within the next 24 hours. So these are fresh deals. They're not over to Wednesday where I am. So I do thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you. Bye-bye.